So this is to cut these out with a knife first. You don't have to cut them off with a knife, you can just pull them off with a knife. This welded nut with a welded nut goes in here. You have two options for how you want to position it. You can go to there, or you can go, I'm going to the rear. I don't think it's going to make a big difference. You hold this in place by sliding on the tabs that they've given you. It's these plastic, it's a plastic tab here. That slides on and that holds that nut in place as you go to grab your next part. Clean your truck first and you'll got to worry about any of this stuff here. My truck's not clean, so. These two brackets are the same. This is the passenger side. The rear bracket is identified with a notch. You can see the notch there. And then you've got a flat washer, a lock washer, and a nut that go on there. You don't want to get crazy tight. Don't tighten these, just leave them loose so you can line everything up later. That's the last thing I did.